Move over, Madam Auring. Madam Carlota is coming for your job. Nahuhulaan ko na magtatagal tayo today sa video na ito. Dahil may camera dito at may camera dito. Hello. This is Charlotte, your enigmatically recovering shopaholic, in today's video about how I wrap my Christmas presents while I chat about my YouTube journey so far. So I am no expert in crafting, but I am an expert in all things beautiful. According to me, it's a self-proclaimed expertise. I am a doctorate degree holder in my own university. I love beautiful things and I love making things beautiful, especially Christmas presents, because you only get to do that once in a year. This video is not about the technical tips on wrapping gifts because I'm already gonna show you my gifts pre-wrapped. If I were to be ultra precise, then this video should be called How I Accessorize My Christmas Gifts. Okay, my first gift wrapping tip has something to do with your choice of gift wrapper. Now, if you are living in a small confined space or you're trying to practice minimalism just like me.
Wow.
Minimalism. If you live in a small confined space or you just want to practice minimalism, then the best, most versatile, most universal gift wrapping design that I would suggest to you, it's like the gift wrapping equivalent of the blood type O, is a silver wrapper or craft paper. Plain silver wrapping paper can be used for weddings. It can be used for baptisms. It can be used for Christmas. It can be used for birthdays. Just place a really funky ribbon on it. Craft paper, it's my aesthetic. It's like rustic, organic, country style, urban style, and modernist, minimalist. Ang dami na, di ba? It's so flexible that way. Wonderful gift tags, because gift tags are not very expensive. You can have glittery gift tags. You can also use plain craft gift tags and rubber stamp them. Gift tags are very inexpensive, and yet they have the ability to take your Divisoria Christmas gift to Rostan's level. Other gift wrapping accessories are like leaves, berries, what do you call this? Pine cones, Christmas ornaments from the tree. I have the ribbons. I have Christmas tree accessories as well. So there you go. Those are the kind of things that you can accessorize your minimalist gift wrapping. But I have one really practical tip to share with you. If you are such a popular person, if you're a Miss Congeniality and you have so many people and so many godchildren to give to, then I would highly suggest pre-made gift bags. These are from Divisoria. It says 120 for 12 pieces. So that's 10 pesos per bag. And you know what, guys? Time is gold. The kind of time that you're gonna spend wrapping your Christmas gifts could have been spent with your family and friends. I mean, I know, look at these gift bags. They super do not meet my aesthetic, the standards of my aesthetic, but I value time more than perfection. So if it's gonna be a lot of people that you're going to give to and it's in the same company, in the same school, then go for this. And then just personally wrap some gifts. Gift wrapping is something I look forward to every year. I light a Yankee candle called Christmas Cookie. I put on Michael Bublé's Spotify, his Christmas album. It's so therapeutic. It makes me feel the holiday spirit. But if you have to do it like a factory worker for hundreds of people, then it loses its meaning. Okay, moving on. Okay, so the first gift I'm gonna wrap is a smaller sized one. Since it's a small box, I'm going to use the special ribbon. And since this is for a boss, it's only once a year when you can tell your boss how much stress you're giving her. I'm just kidding. So I will stay on this side so that hopefully my hands video is gonna be here. I don't know. Don't ask me. So my YouTube journey actually did not start in YouTube. It actually started in a different social media platform, which is Facebook. So I was just trying to get more traffic to our Facebook page, my Singing Sensations' Facebook page. Singing Sensations, by the way, is my girl group. So I encouraged Singing Sensations to start doing live streaming. So I super enjoyed that live streaming to the point where I started doing it on my own. Still on the Facebook page of Singing Sensations, so please follow that Facebook page because that's where it all began. So I started doing it on my own and I was getting some really good positive feedback. So I started doing it on my own, doing makeup tutorials. So somebody in the audience recommended that I take it to a different platform, to YouTube, because it is more permanent. And you can actually monetize that kind of content in YouTube. So that's the only time I decided to look in on it. Can you believe that was not my kind of entertainment? So that's when I started exploring. So the only thing I saw there that I was immediately drawn to was beauty, because that was something I knew very well and had lots of experience. So there you go, the finished product. All I'm gonna do is put like a card over here. And I think that's decorated enough for my boss. Let's move on to the next gift, which is another boss. Where was I? Ang hirap pala nito. Ang hirap nitong talking while gift wrapping. I'm not a multitasker, you know. I need my focus. Okay, so I decided to go with the gold and brown ribbon. So I started my first YouTube video on May 7, 2007 with a 500 peso makeup challenge. Did I say 2007? Super, ano pinagsasasabi mo? I think I said 2007, May 7, 2017. So I decided to do beauty and the occasional divisoria hauls or ukay-ukay hauls, just like whatever I'm seeing on YouTube, being a rookie back then. And then, in May 22 of the next year, 2018 now, I uploaded my first Taytay haul video. And from 2,000 subscribers that I collected for 1 year, I jumped to 10,000 subscribers in 1 month. Yes, I will show you the video over here, the first Taytay haul. And thus began the 17 Taytay haul videos that I have already. Yes. Yes! Yes! So there you go. That is the finished product. I used some cherries, berries, and leaves, and the brown ribbon. So I'm also gonna use a stripy card hanging from here. So there you go. This is the second gift that I did. Another one for the boss. Okay, let's do one for a baby so that I can use these cute ribbons. Okay, we're just gonna experiment on this next one, okay? So YouTube, guys, is one heck of a challenge in life, especially since everything you're going to do is basically going to be self-taught. So please, to all of you who are unkind to YouTubers, or who are trolling YouTubers, you are acting out of ignorance because you just don't know how difficult it is to produce a video. The reward is low, but the investment is so high. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do, so let's continue. Let's try a toy. Oh, the wrapping video would be so much better with manicure on my nails. That's one of the things I learned about YouTube. You have to let go of perfection. So okay, so I'm strangling Moose here on the neck with a ribbon. That's cute. Is it looking like he's suffocating? This is gonna be a failed experiment. Oh well. Oh, that's kind of cute. What do you think, guys? What are you thinking about this? Is it cute? Yay or nay? Yay or patay? I think it's yay for now. Because we have to move on. We have to let go of perfectionism. He kind of looks like a moose bride that is strapped on a wall, but with cute ribbons. Okay, so we don't need a flamboyant card because this gift is looking just slightly extra, just slightly excessive. Just, you know, the kid won't understand what it is. So I'll just put a small card like that and I'll hang it with a little clip. How's that? Is that well balanced now? So there you go, that's 3 gifts. You know, guys, this is not gonna be my most eloquent or more organized video because my focus and my attention is split into 2. Moving on to the next gift. And this is Mr. F's gift. So we are bringing on the black and white ribbon. What is the thing that keeps me going? The thing that keeps me going are your comments. That's why, my goodness, please leave me a comment. That's the affirmation that I'm actually doing something right. To those of you who are vocal, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm the kind of girl with a very high tolerance for suffering and hardship, and I find this a very difficult job. There you go! This is the one for Mr. F. Black and white with a touch of red and gold. Okay, moving on to this silver package this time. And I'm going to decorate it with the classic red and gold and green. And one of these Christmas tree ornaments. So it can be like Christmassy. Okay, as I do this next gift, let's talk about the future of my YouTube channel or YouTube in general. I feel like that there is a decline, and I've heard it from YouTubers, there is a decline in the views. And I feel like that there is a decline in the interest when it comes to the world of beauty. I guess you can only learn learn so much about a smoky eye. And I guess, you know, once you've found products that you really love, you don't consistently need to learn about new launches or about new reviews. I think that there is a movement to more minimalistic kind of lifestyle, a less consumerist-driven kind of lifestyle, and I am super on board with that. I just need to change some really bad spending habits I have acquired because of this YouTube life. I'm always purchasing stuff in the name of my YouTube channel. I'm always justifying purchases. There you go. What do you think? Tama-tama pala yung turtleneck, no? Because if I'm looking down, you're gonna see my double chins. But, you know, good concealer. Okay, well, down to our last gift. So I would like to take this opportunity, Bombshells, to thank you all for being with me. By next year, we will be 3 years already in May. And although we are growing at a slowish pace, we are still growing. And that is something I still really appreciate. But let me tell you, I reached out to 2 creators 2 years ago to collaborate with them because we were basically on the same subscriber count, but they had a bit more and they didn't even reply to me. And now, humbly speaking, I have more subscribers than them now. So, you know, I think that is phenomenal. Ayan, our looks are getting simpler and simpler as we get to the end of this video. Okay, so what advice will I give to future YouTubers if you're thinking of being one? If you're not patient, then don't be in it. It's a long and winding road for the most of us, unless you become a viral sensation like me. Yeah. And then my second advice is, join YouTube if you already have something to share, or you know that you have something to share. Because there's nothing worse than seeing a YouTuber doing a makeup tutorial without knowing how to do makeup. I'm so sorry, I'm not being a snob. But you can't be a teacher if you still need to be a student. So please do something that you're really good at, or if you have something to share, or if you know that you have an interesting personality. We all have our own unique skills and talents. We don't all have to be beauty gurus. Now the beauty gurus are becoming so cookie cutter. They all look the same. They all have those big lips. They all have those falcon nails. They all have those fillers on the cheeks. They're all just being a clone of each other. There you have it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my gift wrapping prowess. Please don't feel the need to have all of these fancy accessories that I have. I'm a certified hoarder. Please use your imagination, use it as an inspiration. Grab some stems, grab some branches, grab some leaves, grab some aratilis as berries. In fact, before you leave, I'm gonna show you a birthday gift that I am also wrapping right now. I got this at National Bookstore for a sale price. You know I love a sale, so I'm always prepared. Using rubber stamps is a one-shot. Using rubber stamps is a one-shot kind of deal. So I have to get it right the first time. Okay, we're gonna stamp that. Here. 1, 2, 3. Go. So scary. 1, 2, 3. Go! Ooh. Ooh. That could have been better. So this was a failed experiment, but you know what? I'm just gonna, have fun with it. That's not one of my best works. You know what? I think I'm gonna try it on a gift tag instead of the wrapper itself. It didn't work out well on the wrapper, but perhaps on a gift tag. Do it on a craft tag instead of directly on the paper. It looks messy. This is prettier. This is cuter. There you have it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed gift wrapping with me. I hope you took some inspiration out of all of the things that I just did. And I hope you enjoyed my YouTube journey so far. There's still so many things that are gonna happen in the year to come. Happy holidays to you all. I can't wait what the future holds for us. Us together forever. I love you. Merry Christmas. Mwah! Yay! Natapos na din. Allah, late na ako sa work. Oh my gosh, 5:30 na. Ay, ang TV na. Guys, if you only knew the smoky mountain of stuff that is in front of me and that I have to fix afterwards, you will hit subscribe and you will comment nice things and you will share this video with your family and friends and you're gonna talk about me. Okay, so the first gift I'm gonna gift, then the variety of the design and the fun of gift wrapping, then the fun. Okay, so the first gift I'm gift My practical advice for you. This is okay, enough yapping and more action, especially for the second camera. Nauntog ako sa camera. And my predictions or my forecast about the year to next. So eloquent. Okay, so that was yeah.
Okay. Una-una na yan, ha? Tuluyan na wala.